What's up, y'all? Today I want to talk about something that I think will be very beneficial. You know what I'm saying? I want to get right to the boat, right to the subject, right to the video. So, has there ever been a time where y'all just been going through a tough, rough, difficult time where you don't know if you're gonna make it through? You don't know if this is a place that you really should be. You know what I'm saying? It's at a point in time where you just want to give up. You want to quit. You want to just stop what you're doing and just throw everything out the window. You know what I'm saying? Well, look, first things first. You know what I'm saying? If you did give up, if you do give up, it's because of your mindset. You know what I'm saying? When certain things like that happen and you end up giving up, it's because your mindset is weak. You know what I'm saying? Now, really get into this topic, into this turn subject. We want to adopt a mindset that keeps us moving forward no matter what. No matter what we go through, no matter what's happening in our life, we want to adopt a mindset that keeps us going forward. Now, I want to tell y'all about a few different traits and few different practices that we should do in order to keep us moving forward, because me myself, although I ain't perfect, you know what I'm saying? But myself, I have that mindset where I keep persevering, I keep going forward because I know at the end, it's gonna be good. So first things first, as everybody might know, it's about having your own why, having a reason on why you're doing it, have a reason on why you are doing the certain things that you trying to do. You see what I'm saying? Like for instance, waking up at 5 o'clock, waking up at 5 a.m. in the morning. You see what I'm saying? Not everybody's gonna do that. You know what I'm saying? People might have different reasons. They might have a job that requires them to do that. They might have children. They might want to achieve a certain body weight. They want to probably get big. Maybe they have to wake up and go to practice for whatever sport. You know what I'm saying? Maybe they simply just trying to get themselves out of situation in their life. You know what I'm saying? It's many different reasons, it's many different whys on why people do the things they do. You know what I'm saying? And throughout all those reasons, you want to always make sure that you have a stable why. You know what I'm saying? As in, no matter what goes on in your life, you still gonna get up, you still gonna get to it, you still gonna move forward, and you ain't gonna let nothing hold you back. You see what I'm saying? And then also the art of perseverance. The art of perseverance is something that's really gonna help people keep moving forward, because persevering itself, you see what I'm saying? Persevering itself is continuing through whatever external circumstances or things that might be happening, whether that's internally or externally. You see what I'm saying? It's a lot of those things that might be going on that could affect somebody. See what I'm saying? And that's one of the things that I go ahead and I practice each and every day. You know what I'm saying? No matter what. You know what I'm saying? I write down my goal. I write down what I want to do, and I persevere through it. I get through it no matter what. You see what I'm saying? I make sure that I knock out my goals each and every day. You know what I'm saying? Because that in itself is gonna build a habit. It's gonna build a habit, and it's gonna be something that's just normal to you, to where it no longer is hard to do. You see what I'm saying? It no longer is difficult, no longer is hard. You see what I'm saying? And then also on top of that, going back to the top of the waking up at 5 a.m. If you woke up at 5 a.m. and did the hardest things, the most important things that you have to do in your day, well, first of all, you're moving the ball forward in whichever way you're trying to go. You're moving the ball forward. But also, too, you know, whenever you wake up at 5 a.m., when you wake up early in the morning, you have the most energy in your body. You have the most energy in your body. So I'm saying that's where you are your most creative, your most productive, because when you wake up, your body has gotten rid of everything. Well, depending on what time you ate, you know what I'm saying, and things like that, and a whole lot of other factors. But more often than not, Your body has gotten rid of all those things mentally. It has cleared all that out of your mind, and then also in your stomach. It had digested and got rid of all that food. So I'm saying, so now your body is just up and ready to go. I'm saying the sun coming up and just ready to go. So I'm saying, so you go ahead and knock out those important tasks. It becomes the norm. It becomes normal to you. So I'm saying, and it keeps you moving forward. So I'm saying, whereas you wake up around like 12, 1, 2. First of all, you don't really have too much of your day left. And then 2, you're not really going to want to do too much. You're not going to really want to do too much of the important things. You're going to kind of feel a little bit resisted. You're going to feel a little resistance towards finishing certain things and doing certain things. And you're going to end up start procrastinating and things like that. You know what I'm saying? And it just all turns into a whole show that you just don't want to get into. You know what I'm saying? So it's something as simple as that. You know what I'm saying? And then also you want to surround yourself around people and things that have a similar mindset as you. You know what I'm saying? First, to keep you more accountable. And 2, because, the people that you surround yourself around are generally the people that you start acting as. You know what I'm saying? And this is over a long period of time. See, so that can come from reading books. Simple. That could come from simply just being around those people that are continuing to move forward, that are optimistic, that are positive, and they keep moving forward no matter what. It's things like that, And I think that's something to think about right there. But all in all, I just want to give y'all a few things for y'all mind, a few mental food, give y'all some brain food, hoping that y'all are able to adopt these certain traits, adopt these certain things that help y'all move forward in whichever way, whichever manner that y'all trying to get into. So I'm saying, because in order to achieve any type of greatness in our life, we have to continue to move forward. You know what I'm saying? We can't just stay stagnant and sit down and just hoping that opportunity, or hoping that a certain thing just plops up on our lap. You see what I'm saying? We got to go ahead and go get it. We got to move forward towards it. You see what I'm saying? That's just how it goes, like a train. It's like a train, we got to continue to move forward. A train ain't going to get to its destination by stopping and sitting there. No, we got to keep moving forward. Sometimes we got to take detours. Sometimes we got to take different routes to get there. But at the end of the day, it continues to move forward to where at a certain point in time, it reaches its destination. You know what I'm saying? And it's like that with everything. So if y'all get any type of knowledge, if y'all like these type of videos, raw and uncut, well, I just kind of talk to y'all, me to y'all, you to me. It's cool. I'm gonna continue to do them. I think I like these better because it's more personable. It's not too much extra into it. You know what I'm saying? And it gets right to the point. Y'all getting all the knowledge up front. Y'all ain't gotta wait too much for it. You know what I'm saying? So just let me know how y'all feel. If y'all like it, comment, share it if y'all want to as well. Get this information, get this knowledge out. Other than that, I want y'all to have a good day. Enjoy y'all's day. Y'all have a nice one, baby. All right, I'm out.